Ever dreamed of bringing imaginative stories to life with just words? Today, we're diving deep into how to craft stunning iPod videos using the revolutionary Sora platform, transforming your wildest ideas into captivating visual narratives. Our journey begins with the power of prompt engineering. Think of your prompt as the blueprint for your video. The more detailed and descriptive you are, the closer Sora will get to your vision. Start with the core subject. For example, a golden retriever playing fetch in a sun-drenched park. Now let's add depth. Specify the style you're aiming for. Do you want it to feel like a nature documentary, a whimsical animated film, or a gritty, realistic drama? Add keywords like cinematic, fantasy, realistic, or even Pixar style. You can also define camera angles: wide shot, close-up, or drone footage. Once Sora generates your video, the customization doesn't stop. You'll have options to fine-tune the length of each clip. Is one scene a little too long? Or could another be extended for more impact? Simply adjust the sliders in the timeline. Editing techniques are key to polishing your creation. Explore the various transition options to seamlessly connect your clips. Think about adding subtle fades between scenes for a smoother flow, or a sharper cut to build tension. Experiment to find what best serves your narrative. Don't underestimate the power of sound. Sora often provides options to add background music or even sound effects to enhance the atmosphere. A gentle score can evoke emotion, while well-placed sound effects can add realism and impact. By mastering prompt engineering, exploring customization, and applying thoughtful editing techniques, you can truly unlock the potential of Sora and transform your creative spark into engaging, high-quality iPod videos. Start experimenting today and watch your ideas come to life.